guys, so wishing you all a very happy new year, and I'm finally back again with a new video. I mean, this is going to be the first video we're shooting in 2021, whereas the others were sometime in December, and I hope you have watched the latest one. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's get into this video. Today we are going to talk about this brand called Clean Label. Clean Label is a Bangalore-based sustainable organic brand which was launched about I can say a few weeks ago. So they are basically, you can call it an organic supermarket store which sells organic food items like oil, edible oil, pulses, essentials, and some green products as well. So I will link down the website in my description box so that you can check out their website for the items that they actually have and that they sell. So they have come up with a subscription plan which is half yearly and annually as well. So the subscription plan details will also be mentioned below. So what happens in the subscription is, so basically you order whatever you require, they send it in a bag like this, or depending on the quantity you have ordered, they'll send across a bag with all the essentials in a glass bottle or packaging that can be reused and can be again cleaned and used by another client. So basically they'll send it in a bottle like this. So I basically got a welcome kit which has 4 products. One is an edible oil. In this one is a mustard oil. The ingredients of the organic mustard oil is all mentioned here. It is basically a cold pressed organic plastic free mustard oil, and the nutritional information is also mentioned here with the other required details on the bottle. So this that I received were some cashew nuts, and same like the oil, they have also mentioned the nutritional information here. Then we have some filter coffee with chicory here. So everything comes in a glass jar or a steel jar depending on the product that you have ordered. And once you have used the product and you want to purchase something else from their website, all you have to do is put all the empty glass jars into the bag and wait for the other person to get you the new item. So you can just swap the bag with him and get your product. You don't even have to clean the jars, and you are saving up so much on the plastic buy that we do unknowingly, unconsciously at the supermarket. So yeah, I mean, I can't say enough about this brand because this is something that we were all looking at. More specifically not just food items but also beauty products like shampoo, face wash and everything. Even the refill packs come in a plastic packet. So if something like that could be changed, then we are going to make this place a better place to live in. So yes, so if you have any questions about Clean Label as a brand, please let me know in the comments down below. I will share the subscription details in the description and also their website. So yeah, this is it from me, and I hope you check out this brand and use it as well. Right now it's a Bangalore based operation, so I'm hoping they expand well, and because we all need brands like this. So I'll share the subscription plan details below in my description box for your benefit, and also the website. And I hope this brand actually expands all over. Right now it's operational only in Bangalore, and I really hope they do go to other cities, because we need brands like this to take over, you know because too much plastic is harmful. And yeah, so this is it from today's video, and if you have any questions regarding this brand, let me know in the description down below. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye. And yeah, new haircut.